Hi, this is Debby Meyer with the Landmark Group at Compass and Flagler Beach TV, and we wanted to give you an update on the pier construction. The work began in June, which was nearly 3 years after Hurricane Ian caused some major damage, and completion is expected to be done by the end of 2026. Right now, as you can see, the crews are installing a temporary work platform and foundation pilings. Traffic along A1A is still open, but it has shifted, and pedestrian access is being rerouted South 3rd and South 6th, so you can still get around town. Later this year, the old wooden pier is going to be removed, except they're leaving the first 100 feet, and they're going to preserve that. And then they're going to have a new concrete structure, and it's going to be built to withstand major storms. And this is really cool. The finished pier is supposed to stretch out about 800 feet into the ocean. It's going to have new lighting, benches, ADA access, and a large T-head for fishing and sightseeing. So it's going to be awesome. So we're going to keep you updated and let you know the progress. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Debby Meyer with Landmark Group at Compass and Flagler Beach TV.